loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this RIHANNA's makeup look. It's actually an inspiration. I saw it on Google and I just decided to make a video on how to achieve that look. So I'm very sorry I haven't been posting regularly, but I actually tried posting within this week, I think 2 videos. My sister had a traditional marriage and a white wedding, so I made a vlog and that was my very first vlog. So I don't know if you guys have seen the video. If you haven't seen the video, I'm gonna put it up here on the screen. I'll probably in my description box so they can just go check it out. So without further ado, let's just get into this video. So first of all, I'm done with my eyebrows. I'm done with my brows. So yeah, and plus your girl hasn't been feeling well. I mean, that's why you're seeing all this, and so, but it's okay. I'm here now and you're ready, right, to get into this video. So let's just roll it. So first of all, I'm just going to be concealing my lids using my LEAKY contour, highlight, powder, and whatever. And yeah, I'm going to be going in with medium, with this color. This is medium. So that's what I'm going to be going in with to, you know, cover up my eyelids. Next up, I'm going to be going in with my lovely Absolute palette. I've had this eyeshadow for actually a long time now. I'm going to be going in with this shade. I think this should be brown, right? Yeah, I'm going to be going in with this shade on my crease, so just to smoke it out. So I don't want it to be too much, okay? I just want to give it that effect, just to shade it out and then just give it that natural crease effect. So I don't want it to be too much, just like, since we're going in with a black later on, a little bit of a black later on, so that's why. Alright, so next up I'm going to be going in with my Romantic Eyeshadow 42 color palette, eyeshadow palette, yeah. And I'm going to be using the color black. I'm just going to be taking a very little, like, just tiny, because this palette has a lot of pigmentation. Like I don't joke with this palette. So I'm just going to give it that smoky eye, as if I'm drawing, you know, normal cat's eye and the rest. So that's what I'm doing right now. If you look at the picture, you see she has something like that, though not really. Sorry, I have the picture over here, so that's why I'm going back in and forward looking at it. So I'm going to be going back in again with my LEAKY concealer just to cut my crease. I mean, I don't know, sorry if I'm hearing a noise right now. I mean, my fan is on, so it's actually making some noise as it's moving around, so sorry about that. So next up, I'm going in again with my Absolute Lovely palette, and I'm going to be using this shade, you know, just to cover up this part. Alright, so this is how it looks for now. Next, I'm going to be using my silver glitter. I just need a little of it, not Alright, so now that I'm done, I'm going to be going in with my wipes, and I'm going to just take out the glitter that actually fell off on my cheek, because if you do your concealer or your makeup on top of this, it's definitely going to show. So this is what you should be doing. Just take your wipe and then take it off your face, and that's it. Alright guys, so next time I'm going to be going in with my eyeliner. I already lined this other eye. She didn't do a more dramatic eyeliner, she just lined simple, you know, but bold. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright, so up next I'm going to be going in with my favorite lashes, and it says Sunday. Too bad today's not Sunday, but yeah, this is what I'm going to be using. So guys, I tried using that lashes and I looked like Ghost of Christmas, so I had to change it. Please, I'm going to use something else, another lashes. Alright guys, so I'm going to be going in with my foundation, my normal Tara foundation. This is what I use most times, so I'm going to be using, and I'm just gonna pop that on my face. And then just blend it in. So up next, I'm going to be going in with my Pro Concealer in the shade Found. So I'm going to be using under my eyelids, on my nose bridge, and you know. Alright, so now that I'm done setting my face, I'm going to be going in with my powder, my Alsha powder, 6 colors. Then I'm going to be using this color under my eyelids, you know, to highlight the brighter parts. And I'm going to be going in with this dark for my cheekbones. I really don't do the back and set thing, right? Am I correct? I really don't do the back and set thing because I don't know, I just love it. I just take my powder and just pat it there and just make it dry, you know, just give it the flawless look that I'm going for. I really don't like the baking stuff and all of that. Though I try it sometimes, but I really don't like it. It doesn't really come off much, so alright, so the next thing is my lips, and I'm going to be using my normal eye pencil, you know. It's old. I think this is Davis, right? Yes, Davis 18. Yeah, number 18. So that's what I'm going to be using on my lips. Ooh. You know, this is why I don't like using lashes. I mean, I'm tearing already. Seriously, I'm tearing already because it's attracting breeze, air to my face, my eyes. Alright, so after that I'm going to be going in with my Kiss Beauty lipstick in the shade 23. Alright, so never had to just take the light and leave us, so that's why it's no longer bright, because the light is gone. This is Nigeria, so anything can happen at any time. So Anyway, all right, so next I'm going to be going in with my highlighter just to highlight my lips all around, and then I'm going to be doing that to other parts of my face too. Alright, so lastly I'm going to go in and then comb my lower eye. Comb out my lower eyelid. Oh, sorry. I can't even talk. I don't really have much lashes down here, so I try as much as possible to make it show. Alright, so lastly I'm going to go in with my normal water bottle, you know. I use water to save my face and it works perfectly for me. Yeah, and I feel very much comfortable doing that. So I'm going to go off camera right now and then do some touches to my hair, and I'm going to come back and then see you guys. All right, beautiful people, so this is how the whole look turned out. This is the finished look. So I really don't know how this turned out, but I'll let you guys be the judge. So tell me that in the comment section, what you think of this look. Did it really, you know, look like, or it was just, you know. So just tell me that in the comment section and let me know if you love this look, and please give me a thumbs up if you love this tutorial, and also if you want to be seeing tutorials like this from me, from this channel, do well to subscribe to my channel and then give me a thumbs up. Hit the post notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll also be the first person to be notified. So till then, guys, oh sorry, if you're hearing that it's going to be raining soon here, so that's why I had to come outside so that you guys can see me very well, because inside it's actually dark right now, and since there's no light, there's nothing I can do, so I had to come outside so you guys can see me. So this is my final look, and I hope this was actually worth the time. So till my next video, guys, bye.